Singing is important. Learn how to sing. Start singing now. If I can do it, you can do it too. Don't be shy. You will be better than me, for sure. This is Eleonora, and I am Pierre. She is our singing teacher. She's an opera singer, and I'm a complete beginner. I'll ask her questions, and she'll answer. I'll exercise, and you can exercise with me. Eleonora, I'm so excited to start working on my singing. But to be honest, I don't know where to begin. There's so much to learn, and I don't want to feel overwhelmed. What's the first step?
Congratulations on your decision to improve your singing, Pierre. Singing is fun, healthy, and deeply satisfying. But yes, I understand. It can feel daunting at first. Beginners often ask me the same question: where do I start? Today, I'll guide you through your very first voice lesson, and I'll recommend what to focus on next.
That sounds perfect. I've heard people say that not everyone can sing. Is that true? Or can anybody learn it?
Great question. Here's my answer. Anybody with a healthy speaking voice can sing. Did you catch that? A healthy speaking voice. If you can speak clearly and without strain, you have the foundation for singing.
That's good to know. So, what's our first goal for this lesson?
Our first goal is to open up and let your voice out freely and clearly. To do that, we'll start with simple speaking exercises. Singing and speaking are closely related, so we begin by ensuring your speaking voice is free and natural. Let's try a basic exercise. Just say ah in a natural, relaxed speaking tone. I'll demonstrate. Ah.
Like this? Ah.
That's good, but focus on keeping your throat open and relaxed. Your tone should be clear and energized. Let's refine it a bit. Avoid this ah or this ah. Instead, aim for something like this. Ah. Easy, clear and free. Try again.
Ah.
That's good. Now let's move on to a spoken siren. Glide your voice gently from a low to a middle pitch and back. Like this. Ah! It's not about going very high or very low, just gliding through the middle range. Your turn.
Ah!
Great. Let's try on a few exercises. Just do this with a 5-tone scale, up and down. Ah!
Oh.
You're just going too high, like just going like ah.
Oh.
And when you do that, try to keep your space open all the time in the back throat.
Oh.
Just be a little bit more relaxed, but yeah, that's better.
Oh.
Okay, now try to open up more. Oh, like a natural yawn.
Oh.
It's very good, Pierre.
Oh.
Really good.
Oh.
Ah, that's good.
Oh.
Yeah, and try when you come up, try to stay open all the time. Don't try to push your voice. Keep it behind in your back, like you're like yawning and being totally relaxed. That's very good, but you sang an octave, but that's also good. This should feel easy and fun, like your voice is flowing effortlessly. If it feels tight or strained, stop and repeat the exercises until it feels natural. By the way, the A vowel is one of the easiest vowels for singers to experience an open throat, which is why we start with it.
Now I leave Eleonora for 6 seconds and talk to you directly. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video. Back to Eleonora.
Now that your speaking voice feels free, let's apply this to singing. We'll start with a simple 5-tone descending scale on A. I'll demonstrate. Yeah, don't forget you're 1 octave lower than me, because you're a man. So let's try this again. Always try to keep in mind that you're speaking this. You're not singing in particular, you're speaking everything with an open throat. Okay, one more time. Very good. No problem, just restart. One last. Very good. Perfect. Now we'll add another layer. Sing the same scale, but this time on mum, mum. The M helps focus your tone and add clarity, like this. Mum, mum, mum. Mum, mum, mum. Try this. Mum, 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 mum.
Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum.
Whenever you do this, try to keep your backspace open and relaxed. Mum, 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 mum.
Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum.
Good.
Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum.
Excellent.
Mum, 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 mum.
Very good. Wonderful. Keep your voice relaxed and let it flow naturally. If you feel comfortable, we can try an ascending and descending 5-tone scale on A, then mum. And then you repeat the same thing on mum. Mum, 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 mum.
mum, mum. Mum, 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 mum.
One, and try to really fill your open space behind. Good. Now with mum.
Mum, 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 mum.
Perfect. Excellent work. These exercises are helping you connect freedom and clarity from your speaking voice to your singing voice. Let's move on to our next goal.
And what's the next goal?
Singing isn't just about your voice, it's an athletic endeavor that involves your whole body. Breath support is critical for producing a strong, controlled sound. To connect with your support muscles, we'll start with the lip trill, like this. Good. If you're struggling with that, you can try a tongue trill instead. Or if neither works, use a voiced V or Z, like this. Or Z. That's great. Try to do the same with the Z. These exercises engage your upper and lower abdominal muscles, which are essential for breath support. Remember, your body is your instrument. If your posture isn't aligned, your sound won't be optimal.
Ah, that makes sense.
Our final goal is to remind you that singing is fun. To stay motivated, you need to apply these exercises to a song you enjoy. Do you have a favorite song in mind?
Not yet. What kind of song would you recommend for a beginner?
Choose something that sits comfortably in your middle voice. No huge jumps or challenging dynamics. For example, here's how I might apply these exercises to a song. Waterloo or Money, Money, Money. Find a song you love and use it to practice letting your voice out easily and freely.
I'll think of a song that works for me. It sounds like it'll make practice much more enjoyable.
Absolutely. When singing is fun, you look forward to practicing, and that's how you'll improve. To recap, we focused on 3 main goals today. Open up and let your voice out freely and clearly. Second point, understand that good singing involves your whole body and breath support. Third point, have fun and apply your exercises to a song you enjoy.
That's such a clear structure. What should I focus on after today?
After this, I recommend watching my video on Find Your True Voice to deepen your understanding. Then move on to the videos about posture, inhalation for singing and breath support. This will give you a solid foundation to build on.
Thank you so much, Eleonora. I feel like finally I have a roadmap for starting my singing journey.
You're welcome, Pierre. Singing is a lifelong gift that brings so much joy. Take care of your voice and it will take care of you. I can't wait to see how you progress. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey.
I will. Thanks again, Eleonora.
Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.